What's happening, world? Welcome back to the channel, BPX HD. I go by the name of Black Professor X, and I hope y'all having a Gucci, swell, plump, scrumptious day today, man. I hope y'all having a great time. Hope y'all having a blessed, enjoying y'all family, how life's supposed to be. And if you're going through something, man, just stick to it. Keep your head high, and I hope everything just works out for you. But I hope this video brings you at least one smile, or at least you feel like you can escape for at least 5 minutes, man. That's the only thing I want to bring. A lot of people will say, you ain't got the subscribers, you don't got the views. But if I affect one person, bro, and if I make your day, bro, I don't care about nothing else, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of person I am. That's how humble I am. I don't need a bunch of people praising me. If I just have one person, I just have for one person, just say, hey, bro, you made my day a little bit better, bro. That's all I need, bro. That's all I need. But what I'm gonna bring for y'all today is an unboxing. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's right here. Let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? Also, man, y'all, did anybody that Kingdom Hearts 3 drop? Y'all got that Kingdom Hearts 3? Let me know. Let me know if y'all rock with Kingdom Hearts 3, bro. I got some stuff for the gaming channel. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to play it, but I want to play that Resident Evil 2 demo. But I'm quite scared of that game. Back in growing up, man, my dad used to play it, and I used to be in. Oh boy, I'm talking about. Man, when that zombie turned his head around, I was never the same, bro. That nigga was sitting out there looking down, eating that chicken and dumpling cud, and he turned around and said, "Oh, bud, I don't care how old I am, nigga. That's scary, bro." Oh, Resident Evil 3. What, that nigga Nemesis chasing y'all? Bro, that's one of the biggest fears I have, bro. It's so Chloe, from California. I forgot to shout the name out. Chloe. Thank you, Chloe. Retail. It's crazy. Y'all see what these is, man. Y'all know it's Justin Timberlake 3s. Look at that retail, bro. $250? And that's not no Soul Supremacy sticker or nothing. Cause look. $250. Them niggas tripping on the $250 cause I ain't paid $250. I paid, come here. Let me tell you what I paid. I paid $175. $175 for these, bro. Then I had 15% off the $175. This was back in right before Christmas when eBay had that coupon going. I had to take advantage, bro. And I was like, what shoe can I buy that I can take advantage of it of? The Justin Timberlake 3s, bro. Look at that suede, man. It's a dope cop, bro. I love a Jordan that ain't too loud. That look comfortable, you know what I'm saying? I can rock this just look clean, nice little fit. I don't like that attention that much, you know what I'm saying? I like some low key, you know, some suede, you know what I'm saying? Some cool, some vibrant, you know what I'm saying? Got the little, oh crap, bro, I keep hitting the sand. I'm moving the camera. Got your little Tinker Hatfield little hang tag in there. Like I said, these were used, but it had a clear sole on it also. And why I keep putting these back in the box, I'm getting to the pair that I really wanted to review. Not review, but I want y'all to see. Review, whatever it is. I don't know what to call it. It might be a review. But let's talk about these orange laces, bro. Now this what made me just have to cop, bro. Now, if y'all ain't check this review out, go and check it out, bro. The neutral gray ones, man. Go check that review out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Check that review out. I got some dope visuals, you know what I'm saying? I don't try to brag too much, but I do take a lot of time for my craft. And if it ain't perfect, and if y'all see something different in the video, like, oh, it's cloudy, I'm trying to find something, bro. So be patient with me, you know what I'm saying? This is a work in progress. That's the beauty of me not having a lot of subs. I can try different things. So let's get back to this shoe, man. Yeah, I'll just play. But no, man, the suede's crazy. You got that higher on the other side, little details. I think in the inside of the shoe it says fame is life, and the other shoe says something about struggle. Fame is life, and the other shoe says something about struggle. Got that nice suede on the thumb. I mean, not suede, but you got that nice leather on the tongue, man. Oh my God, it's soft. Or that might just be the padding of the leather. You know, let me speak about leather. Dude on Fine Line Video was talking about those turbo green 3s were suede. I mean, distressed leather. What y'all be... Y'all ain't seen... Man, I ain't gonna get... Ooh, I can't stand... I hate when people don't know their facts. Like, don't know their shoes. That bugs me. Do that bug y'all, bro? I know I'm not talking about the shoe, but... Do that bug y'all when people talk about the shoe and they don't know what they talking about? They just saying like, yeah, this right here is new book. Like, bro, I can't... That bugs me so bad. Like, if y'all don't know the details of the shoe, don't review it. Just show it. Do like them. This orange, brown, black. Here you have it. 5 page 3. Well, yeah, you got the Nike Air on the back tab, bro. And that's what we care for. I had the Tinker 3s, the black and white with the red ones, tab on the back. I had to get rid of those. But these right here are perfect because you got that brown and it doesn't stick out as much. The Nike sign is a little much on the shoe, but the orange laces just make it up for me, man. Especially match on the inside of the shoe. Very crazy suede, man. It's so soft. It's so smooth. And that's one thing I didn't care about when I ordered it. This was the bottom 30. I just wanted that suede to be perfect, bro. And there's no stains, none of that on the shoe. Got higher on the other side. That's all I cared about. I asked him, I said, bro, is that suede nice? He said, yes. This on the inside, the sock liner feels like I don't know, it feels weird. Like a big lint ball. Weird. Very swag though, man. You got the black elephant print, great translucent outsole. You know what I'm saying? The orange laces. You also got the suede laces, but I might buy these in orange later on, just to keep that suede look. You know what I'm saying? But this is a fire shoe. Definitely, if y'all got the chance to go back and cop these, man, this is a must cop, bro. And prices ain't too bad on a very near dead stock pair, so I'm into very near dead stock pair. I don't have to have my DS because it makes it quicker for me to wear, unless I treat it like a collector's item when it's DS. So it's kind of hard for me to DS shoes. So when I buy them very near dead stock, I throw them boys straight on, bro. And these, when the weather get right, it ain't all wet and soggy, and I might step in some wet grass because it's morning dew, these coming out. So, but not to be too much vocal, man. I know I rambled all over the place, and I usually don't do this. I usually don't try to draw my videos. I try to be straight to the point. But right now, I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna chop this up because I hate to have y'all waste this much time for me blabbing. But right now, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Oh yeah, make sure you stay ahead of the hype. Tell your loved ones you love them, man. I'm out. I'm just messing with y'all. I knew what I had to say, but I'm just rambling. Trying to get to that 10-minute mark like the rest of these guys. I'm just messing with y'all. No, but for real though, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Tell your loved ones that you love them, and stay ahead of the hype, man. And catch me on the next video. If you're done with this video, go check out our previous video, man. I'm out. I'll let you in the next one, bro. Oh, mom. Deuces.
Best shit ain't better than my worst shit, yeah. Don't call me underrated, you ain't heard shit, yeah. Work like a vet, hell no.